Can TCL Roku TV screen mirror? Yes, TCL Roku TV supports screen mirroring, allowing you to cast content from Android Windows and some Apple devices. Roku TVs use Miracast technology for wireless screen mirroring, but iPhones and iPads require AirPlay instead. Screen mirroring lets you display videos, apps, and web pages from your device directly on the TV. 1. Screen mirroring from Android and Windows. Most Android and Windows devices support Miracast, which enables direct screen mirroring to a TCL Roku TV. Step 1. Ensure your TCL Roku TV and device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On the Roku TV, go to Settings, then System, then Screen Mirroring mode, and select Prompt or Always Allow. Step 3. On your Android phone or Windows PC, open the Screen Mirroring or Cast settings. This may be called Smart View, Cast, Wireless Display, or Project. Step 4. Select your TCL Roku TV from the list of available devices. Step 5. Accept the connection request on the TV and your device screen will appear on the TV. 2. Screen mirroring from iPhone and iPad using AirPlay. Apple devices do not support Miracast, but you can use AirPlay to mirror your screen. Step 1. Ensure your TCL Roku TV and iPhone or iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On the Roku TV, go to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, then AirPlay and turn it on. Step 3. Open Control Center on your iPhone or iPad and tap Screen Mirroring. Step 4. Select your TCL Roku TV from the list of available devices. Step 5. Enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV if prompted. 3. Troubleshooting screen mirroring issues. If screen mirroring is not working, try these solutions. Check compatibility. Some older Roku models do not support screen mirroring. Restart your devices. Turn off and restart both your TV and device. Update software. Ensure your TCL Roku TV, Android, Windows, or iOS device has the latest software updates. Disable VPNs. Some VPNs block mirroring. Disconnect from VPN before trying again. Use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. If your router supports dual-band Wi-Fi, connect both devices to 5 GHz for a more stable connection. 4th, alternative ways to cast or mirror content. If screen mirroring does not work, consider these alternatives. Use a Chromecast. Plug a Google Chromecast into your TCL Roku TV and use Google Home to cast content. Stream directly from apps. Many apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus support direct casting to Roku TVs. Use an HDMI cable. Connect your phone or laptop to the TV using an HDMI adapter for a wired mirroring solution. TCL Roku TV supports screen mirroring through Miracast for Android and Windows and AirPlay for Apple devices. If screen mirroring does not work, you can try casting apps using Chromecast or connecting via HDMI for an alternative solution.